Hey there kids, this is Math Recovery. Right above this video there's a black button with a worksheet on it that I'm working on. You can press it and get it. I'm doing the first 3 problems, but you can do a few each night and check your answers on the answer key. When you're ready you can come see me and you can earn a lemon drop by testing out. Today we have the fraction 40/64ths, which is a really weird fraction. That'd be hard to imagine. But we can make it into something smaller. We're going to cut this down to size into a fraction that we can understand. To do that, you need to find something called the greatest common factor. Okay? And we need to list the factors of 40. Those are the things that you multiply together to get 40. And we need to list the factors of 64. So here we go. 40 is 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 3 times nothing, 4 times 10, 5 times 8. Okay, so those are all the ways that you can make 40. 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 4 times 10, and 5 times 8. Now let's go find the factors of 64. 1 and 64. 2 and 32. 3 and nothing. 4, whoops, and 16. 5 and nothing. 6 and nothing. 7 and nothing. But how about 8 times 8? Right? So you could make 64 by going 1 times 64, 2 times 32, 4 times 16, or 8 times 8. Now, if we look up here, we want to find something that's in common between the top row and the bottom row. There's a 1 here and there's a 1 here. That's in common. There's a 2 and a 2. That's in common. A 4 and a 4. That's in common. An 8 and an 8, that's in common. There's a 10 up here, but there's no 10 down here. There's a 20 up here and no 20 down here. And there's a 40 up here, but no 40 down here. So the greatest common factor is the biggest one, and that would be 8 right there and there. We want to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 8. Okay, so let's do that to find our answer. All right, 40 divided by 8, that's 5. Right? Because 5 times 8 is 40. 64 divided by 8 is 8. Now, 40/64ths is equivalent to 5/8. They're the same thing, right? But 5/8 is a lot easier to imagine because it's small. There's fewer pieces, but each piece is bigger. Here there were a lot of pieces, but each piece was smaller. So 40/64ths is the same thing as 5/8, but we like to talk about it in simplest terms or reduced terms or lowest terms right there. Okay, so 5/8. All right, well, kids, you can do this, and when you're ready, come let me know, and you can test out. You can earn a lemon drop by doing this. Practice makes perfect. Keep trying, okay? Bye-bye.